Neocolonialism, the empire strikes back. While many countries achieved political independence in the mid-20th century, the end of formal colonial rule didn't always mean true liberation. In many cases, former colonial powers found new ways to maintain control and influence over their former colonies. This phenomena is known as neocolonialism. Economic dependency. One of the hallmarks of neocolonialism is continued economic dependence. Former colonies often rely on their former colonizers for trade, investment, and technology. This can create unequal power dynamics, with former colonizers able to dictate terms and extract resources. Political interference. Neocolonialism can also manifest as political interference in the affairs of former colonies. This can range from supporting puppet regimes to covert operations aimed at destabilizing governments that challenge the interests of former colonial powers. Cultural imperialism. Even after gaining political independence, many former colonies continue to be influenced by the cultural norms and values of their former colonizers. This can manifest in everything from language and education systems to consumer preferences and media consumption. Globalization, a double-edged sword. Globalization, the increasing interconnectedness of the world through trade, technology, and cultural exchange, has further complicated the legacy of colonialism. On the one hand, globalization has created new opportunities for economic growth and cultural exchange for former colonies. On the other hand, it has also exacerbated existing inequalities and perpetuated patterns of dependency. Economic opportunities. Globalization has opened up new markets for goods and services from former colonies, allowing them to participate in the global economy. It has also facilitated the flow of investment and technology, which can help to stimulate development. Cultural exchange. Globalization has led to a greater awareness and appreciation of diverse cultures, including those of former colonies. It has also provided a platform for marginalized voices to be heard and for cultural traditions to be shared across borders. Unequal power dynamics. However, globalization has also entrenched existing power imbalances between former colonizers and colonized countries. Multinational corporations often exploit cheap labor and resources in developing countries, while Western cultural products dominate global markets. Global South's deteriorating environment. The rapid expansion of global trade and consumption has also had a devastating impact on the environment, disproportionately affecting countries in the global South that were once colonized. The challenge of decolonization. The legacy of colonialism is not just a historical relic, it continues to shape the world we live in today. The challenge of decolonization involves more than just achieving political independence. It also means addressing the ongoing economic, political, and cultural legacies of colonialism. Economic sovereignty. This means creating more equitable trade relationships, investing in local industries, and reducing dependency on former colonial powers. Political self-determination. This involves strengthening democratic institutions, promoting good governance, and resisting external interference in domestic affairs. Cultural reclaiming. This means celebrating and revitalizing indigenous cultures, languages, and traditions, while also recognizing and embracing the diversity of hybrid cultural identities that emerge from the colonial encounter. The struggle for true decolonization is an ongoing process. It requires a critical examination of the past and a commitment to building a more just and equitable future for all.